Okay, this is my white 1602, and I just finished installing the SuperbaNet interface, and that all went just fine. But I have a problem now, and I hadn't been using the patterning system because, because my pattern boxes weren't working. So I just noticed this now. Can you hear that? I'm just moving the cursor back and forth. So I'm thinking I gotta do something like maybe lubricate it something. I'm not really sure. I'm not really too cognizant of all the necessary places that you need to get lubricated. So I'm asking for some help. So I was having it stored over here at the very end, and then I would bring the cursor stop over there. This is the way I've been knitting for quite some time. And of course, I never knew about it because, the cursor was stuck over there. So anyway, if you have any kind of insight into that, I'd really like to be educated. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.